Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing amazing. Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. This is yet another video. I told you guys a lot is aligned for you guys. Yes, so in today's video, um, I'm going to organize my kitchen, clean everything, do a thorough cleaning in my kitchen. That is what I'm going to do today. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Kavivi, or V if you like, which one suits you, which one is amazing.
Oh boy. I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't much. We're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Little bit let down. that you love me. I know, yeah, I know that you love me. Yeah, this way, so much still giving, but I know you're there to help me. Hold me out when you feel unsteady. I know you love me still when life gets messy. Na 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 na. Know you love me still when life gets messy. Na 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 na. Know you love me still when life gets messy. Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly. You're a butterfly. Butterfly. Wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never.
So guys, this was actually the next day and I was actually traveling. So this is me trying to pack some clothes. This is what I'm showing you. In the previous video I was actually cleaning my kitchen. Now this is the next day. That's my baby watching cartoon. Yeah, let's enjoy. Oh no.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. Ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. You know that I tried, leave it all behind, yeah, no one else to blame.
After that, I took my shower. This is me applying my lotion. Guys, kindly subscribe, like, give a share to this video, comment down below, let's interact, and let's get to 2k manze. 2k, ilikuwa tufike 2k before this year ends manze. Support your own, support me please. So acha tujipake mafuta vizuri, tunukie vizuri before we head out. Yeah, we are heading to Muranga County. Yes, so before tuende Muranga tunanukia vizuri. Subscribe guys, share, like.